Did you know that ** 12% of owners admit they regret buying a smart TV? And the number spikes to ** 38% among developers who need a clean, hackable display. Today we rip the cord on the biggest tech news flop of the decade and show you the real alternatives. Hold up. What if I told you the smart part is actually the stupid part? Instead of adding features, manufacturers are subtracting control. Let's flip the script. You don't need a TV that talks to you. You need a TV that listens to your code. Picture this. You're mid-debug, trying to reproduce a UI bug on your smart TV. And a mandatory firmware update reboots the whole system. Your logs disappear, the remote stops working, and the TV starts suggesting cooking shows. Sound familiar? It's the daily nightmare for any dev who's ever tried to treat a TV like a real computer. What if you could swap that bloated OS for a lean, open platform in under 5 minutes? In a moment, I'll walk you through 3 battle-tested setups that let you stream, code, and even host your own services. Without the ads, without the forced updates, and without the headache. Lesson 1. The Chromecast Ultra as a thin client. We'll enable developer mode, sideload a minimal Linux distro, and run a headless Docker container that serves Plex, Jellyfin, or even a local web server. You get a full Linux environment on a $70 stick, with zero bloat and full SSH access. Lesson 2. Re-engineer the Amazon Fire TV. Amazon's hardware is cheap. The firmware is open source enough to replace with Firecracker micro VMs. The same tech Google uses for its Stadia backend. I'll show you how to flash a custom image, run a sandboxed Chrome browser, and even integrate Netflix's DRM without the intrusive UI. Most people make 3 fatal mistakes. 1. Keeping the factory default credentials. 2. Installing every app the store offers. And 3. Ignoring HDMI CEC, which can lock you out of remote control. These oversights cost you hours of debugging and can even expose your network to ransomware. Here's the step-by-step. Keycap 1. Choose your hardware. Chromecast Ultra, Fire Stick, or Raspberry Pi. Keycap 2. Flash the custom image using *Balena-etcher. Keycap 3. Enable SSH. Set a strong key pair. Keycap 4. Install Docker. Pull the media server image. Keycap 5. Configure HDMI CEC and map your remote. Follow each command on screen and you'll have a production-grade media hub in under 10 minutes. The payoff? 0 ads, 60 FPS 4K playback, instant boot times, and full console access. Users report a ** 30% reduction in latency * and a ** 100% increase in uptime. Plus, you now have a platform that can run your own C pipelines, home automation dashboards, or AI inference models, straight from your living room. For the power users, here's a * premium technique * most devs skip. Run * web GPU * inside your container to offload video decoding to the TV's GPU. By exposing the *dev dry device to Docker, you can achieve hardware accelerated rendering that rivals native apps. Perfect for real-time iVideo filters or live stream overlays. If you found this tech news deep dive useful, smash that subscribe button. Join our Discord for exclusive scripts. And stay tuned for our next video where we turn a humble router into a 10 gigabits per second edge server. See you in the next one.